Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a chocolate eclair. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our chocolate eclair, we're going to begin with the chocolate part. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come up. That's going to go over and back down here. Now, starting here, we're going to make some wavy lines. They're just going to go up and down all over. You can make them different sizes, however you want to, but then just connect it right to there. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come across and back up here. Starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out, and we're just going to make a little line coming across, kind of wavy. This is for like the filling of the eclair, and we're just going to bring it to here. And starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come over and then up here. Now, you could leave it like this, just a plain eclair, or you could add a little face on it. I'll put a face on here just to kind of make it fun. So starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. So we'll just make a nice big circle here. Leave some space, and then we'll draw another big circle over here. And then inside of each one, I will put a black dot for the pupil. Right across here, we're going to make a big smiley face. And then we're going to make a nice tall smiley face right here. We'll add a little line across for the tongue. And then if you want to, you can color this part in really quickly. And you could really do any color. I like to do black with my marker, or you could do like a red or a pink, whatever you want to. And there you go. There is your drawing of a chocolate eclair. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.